That camera on your wall? It's been slowly cooking since June. Here's when it stops working. That camera on your wall? It's been slowly cooking since June. Here's when it stops working. Your outdoor camera faces 5 environmental killers that manufacturers bury deep in spec sheets. And if you live anywhere with real weather, heat, cold, rain, humidity, at least one of these is degrading your camera right now. Killer number 1, heat. Every outdoor camera uses a CMOS image sensor. These sensors generate their own heat during operation, and they're designed to function within a specific temperature range. Hikvision, Dahua, Reolink, check any spec sheet. The maximum operating temperature is almost always 50 degrees Celsius. That's 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Sounds like a lot until you realize that a south-facing wall in Phoenix, Houston, or Miami regularly exceeds that on a summer afternoon. When the sensor overheats, you get image noise, artifacts, color distortion, and eventually thermal shutdown. Your camera literally stops recording when you need it most, during the hottest part of the day. Killer number 2, cold. If you're running battery-powered cameras, Ring Stick-Up, Arlo Pro, anything wireless, lithium-ion batteries lose 40 to 60% of their capacity below freezing. Below 0 Fahrenheit, they may shut down entirely. This isn't a defect, it's the chemistry of lithium-ion. Cold slows the chemical reaction that produces electricity. Your camera might show a full charge at bedtime and be dead by morning. The fix is simple but important. In cold climates, use wired cameras outdoors, or bring battery cameras inside during deep freezes, and rely on your wired units. Killer number 3, water ingress. Every camera has an IP rating, and most homeowners have no idea what theirs means. IP65 means protected against water jets. Rain from above is fine, but driving rain from the side or below can get in through cable entry points and seams. IP67 means the camera can survive being submerged in 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. IP68 means continuous submersion. Most budget cameras, the ones under $100, are IP65. That's adequate for a camera under an eave with overhead protection. It is not adequate for a camera mounted on an exposed wall with no overhang, especially in regions with hurricane-force rain or heavy storms that drive water horizontally. Killer number 4, the one nobody talks about, spiders. Your outdoor camera has infrared LEDs that emit invisible light for night vision. Those LEDs generate warmth. Spiders are attracted to warmth and to the insects that gather around light sources. A single spider web stretched across your camera lens will trigger hundreds of false motion alerts every single night. Every strand moving in the breeze registers as motion. Your phone buzzes 500 times while you sleep. Eventually, you turn off notifications entirely. And now your camera is effectively useless because you've trained yourself to ignore it. Killer number 5, UV degradation. This one is slow and invisible. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun breaks down plastic polymers over time. Most budget cameras use ABS plastic housings. After 2 to 3 years of direct sun exposure, ABS yellows, becomes brittle, and develops hairline cracks that let moisture in. Circling back to killer number 3. Premium cameras use UV-stabilized polycarbonate, which lasts 3 to 5 times longer. Metal housings, aluminum or stainless steel, last essentially forever, but cost more. If your camera housing is turning yellow or feels chalky to the touch, it's already failing. Here's your outdoor camera survival checklist. Mount under eaves or overhangs whenever possible. This protects from direct sun, rain, and gives you an extra IP protection layer for free. Choose IP67 or higher for any exposed location. Use wired cameras in climates that drop below freezing. Apply a thin layer of silicone spray or Teflon lubricant around your IR LEDs every few months. The slippery surface prevents spiders from anchoring webs. And inspect your housings annually. If the plastic is yellowing or chalky, it's time to replace the camera or add a sunshade. Your outdoor camera is a computer sitting outside in the weather 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Treat it like one. The ones that survive are the ones that were installed with weather in mind from day one. Save this checklist. Follow for more outdoor camera guides that actually keep your system running. Save this checklist. Follow for more outdoor camera guides that actually keep your system running.